Budget buys this week.
Hello guys, today I want to show you the best thing to wash your face with if you have problems with acne. Okay, here it is on my face. If you don't use this every day, you'll have a breakout. If you use it every day, you won't. It's cool. And what I'm using is this. And you can use the St. Ives product. It's just a little more expensive than the Studio Selections, and this is I think $2.95, and it's a apricot scrub. You can feel the little pieces of apricot as you rub it in your skin. Yes, your face may be a little red too because you've rubbed it with the abrasive scrub, so that's normal. Okay, I will clear up here in a minute. Hi guys, so I got a few updates. I bought this microphone. It's one of the cheaper microphones, I know, but if you're on a budget and you really want to start trying to create things, videos, this is pretty good. It's the iOS device. Okay, it comes in this little bag. I think it's really cute. And I don't know if I put it back correctly. Yes, I did. This little bag inside. And it even has an extra microphone cover, by the way. And it has a Velcro snap holder. Very long cord. And this is what's important. This goes into your smartphone. Apple smartphone. Any of the ones that take this plug. I think it's anything above 7. Maybe. Anyway, we're gonna try this on. Okay, now we'll see if there's any difference. Let's check it out. Okay, I'm back. I got myself a little more presentable. So I'm gonna move my skull out of the way. I want to unbox some things. I did get the roller. I haven't used it yet, and I have dark circles, and in the next couple of weeks I'm gonna try home remedies, and I'm gonna try dollar store remedies and other things, and we're gonna see which one works better, and I'll keep you up to date on that one. It'll be one of those no makeup days. I'm gonna try this stuff, this roller. It's like $1.25. I mean, it's very affordable if you want to try something. And of course, you've got the home remedies, which if you have the herbs and you have the ingredients, you can do that at home. So, alright, so I'm going to unbox something that I got the other day. Okay, they're just my little clippers. I probably have something better to open this with, but we're gonna go with this today. We're gonna open boxes with tiny scissors. Sounds fun. I'm probably gonna end up ripping the top off of it, as I usually do. It helps to stick your tongue out, actually. Okay, alright, what's in here? We're gonna look down. We're gonna see what's in the box. I'm so super excited. I sound excited, right? Paper! Okay. Paper and one little product. That's what I bought, one little product, so I'm gonna get one little product. Alright. And so it's covered in plastic. Okay, over my shoulder. This is what the guy at the post office does with my packages. Okay, This is actually, it is a Sephora Lipstories balm and a nice little neutral pinkish looking color. It was $4. $4. See, not very expensive. Alright, I'm gonna get a wipe and I'm gonna take my lipstick off. I think I still got some color on there, so just have to use your imagination. And oh well, it's shine. And even though I had a little pink on there, you can still kind of see the coral. It's like a coral color, and you could see it really well. It's kind of a almost a salmon or coral, like a cross between a salmon and coral. But it feels so nice. It feels so moisturizing and nice. Anyway, $4. They have a lot of good sales in there. And that's what I'm catching because this is for budgets. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, now my second packaging that I want to do, and I did say I was going to move my skull back there. Get back there, guy. Keep my little Halloween things back there. And the second thing that I'm opening is kind of exciting. Alright, it's my book. Kind of hate that I didn't have anything put on the spine. This is the back of my book. It's my book. My book. My book. Yes. And wow. Happy, super happy. And this is my little picture in the back of my book. And the thing is, guys, well, there's a lot of work that goes into this. If you have a writing talent at all, or if you think you do, you know, be confident. You know, I mean, I did this for free. The only thing I paid for is my author copies. I have 2, which means I'm gonna give one away. I gave away one of my journals, so I'll be giving away one of my books and everything. And this, again, this is my book. This is my book, Love and Possession, Sherry Hurd. So I'm writing. I am trying to take better care of my skin, a little bit at a time. So you guys, hang around. I'm gonna be doing a lot of stuff. I'm also gonna be doing like Mental Health Mondays. And I will probably be just delving into some more things that might be kind of fun. So, thank you. Thank you so much. I hope you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.